Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Made Within Pakistan. We are done with our overview videos. Today we are going to start our analysis for each specific year. Exports made within the specific year, the top 10 countries and the top 10 commodities. Before going into the details of today's video, few queries have been asked by a few of our viewers. The first one was why we started from 2003. The answer is the source of this data is basically the State Bank of Pakistan and Pakistan Bureau of Statistics. It was not easy for us to compile the data based on a single source. Few of the information was available on the State Bank of Pakistan website and few of the information was available on the Pakistan Bureau of Statistics. So we have to come up for those year where the information was available on both of the websites, and that year was 2003. So this is the reason that we started from 2003. The second question was, in our first video, exports in 2003 were shown as 10.88 billion. But in our second video, exports in 2003 were shown as 11.15 billion. What is the reason of difference? Again, the answer is the same. The source of the data, the slide in front of you, the source of this data is basically the State Bank of Pakistan website, and the slide used in our first video, the source of this data was Pakistan Bureau of Statistics. The data based on the State Bank of Pakistan website, this 11.15 billion also includes other exports, but the data of this website, Pakistan Bureau of Statistics, other exports are not included. I have mentioned this thing in one of my earlier video that there might be some differences due to the source of the data. So this is the reason, and we are really glad that the people watch so closely and they look for the minute details and the differences. So thank you for that. So let's start for 2003. In 2003, the total exports made were 11.15 billion. The top 10 countries contributed 7.21 billion and the percentage is 64.68%. Means 2/3 of the exports have been contributed by these top 10 countries. Similarly, the top 10 commodities contributed 3.98 billion and the percentage is 35.68. Roughly, it can be concluded that 1/3 of the exports have been contributed by these top 10 commodities. So let's go for each specific country. For example, America exports were 2.62 billion. The top 10 commodities contributed 1.36 billion. The percentage is 51.92. And the products, shirts, bedsheet, towels, carpets, wash, shirts, means majority are from the textile group. Pakistan is majorly a textile exporter. So in these analysis, you will see that majority of the products will be from the textile. To Dubai, the total exports were 1 billion. 579.92 million were contributed by the top 10 commodities. The percentage is 57.75%, and the top product was rice, that was 0.13 billion, petroleum 0.10 billion, and the other, again the textile group, bed sheets, shawls, towels. United Kingdom, the total exports were 787.61 million. Top 10 commodities contributed 349.97 million. The percentage is 44.43%, and the categories are bed sheets. There is only one non-textile group, and that is rice basmati, and amount is 0.02 billion. Germany, total exports were 578.92 million. Top 10 commodities contributed 282.70. Percentage is 48.83%, and the products are majority the textile. Hong Kong, total exports 516.52 million. Top 10 commodities contributed 391.92. Percentage is 75.88%, and again the textile majority are the textile related products. Saudi Arabia, total exports 475.98 million. Top 10 commodities contributed 285.33 million. Percentage is 59.95. Only the third item is 0.02, which is non-textile. The other are textile products. Italy 340.51 million. Top 10 categories contributed 139.16 million. Percentage is 40.87, and the products are textile. Afghanistan. So here comes the difference. Total exports 314.19 million. Top 10 commodities for 172.38 million. Percentage is 54.86. So let's see the different products. Wheat, flour, 0.05. Rice, 0.03. Vegetable oil, 0.02. Other kerosene, 0.01. Kerosene, 0.01. Other poultry items, 0.01. Kerosene, 0.01. Light diesel, 0.01. Other animals, 0.01. Or other buffalo, 0.01. Means there is no textile exports to Afghanistan. Majority are the food items. France, total exports 291.08 million. Top 10 commodities contributed 148.08. 50.85% means half of the exports to France were from these top 10 commodities. And the products are textile related crops. And last, Netherlands, 286.64 million. Top 10 commodities contributed 147.92 million and the percentage is 51.60%. Cane molasses, non-textile product, 0.03 billion, and the rice at number 6.01. The other are the textile groups. We can analyze this data in another way. For example, this bed sheets. The total bed sheets exported were 805.72 million. And how much these top 10 countries exported out of this 805.72 million? It was 678.73 million and the percentage 84.24%. Means majority of the bed sheets were exported by these top 10 countries. Similarly, shirts, total shirts exported were 498.23 million. Top 10 countries contributed 483.01 million and the percentage is 96.94. Cotton yarn, total exports 426.04. Top 10 countries contributed 358.62. Percentage is 84.18. Other woven products 425.54 million. Top 10 countries contributed 353.29 million. Percentage was 83.02. Towels 373.97 million. Top 10 countries exported 305.03 million and the percentage is 81.57. Rice basmati 360.30. Top 10 countries contribute 274.78 and the percentage is 76.26. There is another difference as well. This rice exporter are majority Dubai, Saudi Arabia, Oman, Yemen, Bahrain, Qatar, Kuwait. Means the majority of the rice were exported to the Middle Eastern countries, and the rest they are the mix. For example, America, United Kingdom, Germany, the textile products. But in case of this rice, Middle Eastern countries are the major exporters. The 342 million for the other through this product, other through bib, boycott and knit. As I told you that this is very specific name. This name is as per the HS code. This is a textile product. 342 million were exported at that time. The top 10 countries contributed 326.92 million and the percentage is 95.41. Other woven fabric 310.74 million. Top 10 countries contributed to 18.12 and percentage is 70.1. Yarn 220.37 million. Top 10 countries contributed 193.23 million and the percentage is 87.68%. And the carpets 215.52 million were exported. Top 10 countries contributed 184.91 million and the percentage is 85.80. If you see the percentage, for example, this bed sheets 84%, shirts 96%, yarn 84, other woven 83, towels 81, rice basmati 76, 95, other woven 70.19, then yarn 87.68 and the carpets 85. The only percentage which was less than 80 was this rice 76% and the other two, there was one more that was 70% and that was, I guess, these are other woven products. Means these rest of the products were exported by the top 10 countries and the percentage is more than 80%. So we can conclude that the majority of the products were exported by the top 10 countries, the top 10 commodities, and similarly the top 10 commodities exports were to those specific top 10 countries. So we are done for the 2003. In our next video, we will come up with the 2004 analysis. Plus, in addition to this, what we will do is we will also compare the results for the 2003 with the 2004 as well. For example, in 2003, exports were for to the US America were 2.62 billion. In 2004, it increased to 2.94 billion. So we will try to analyze this way as well. So this is how we will proceed in our upcoming videos. Again, shoot up the questions. The more you will ask, we will be happy to respond. Thank you for watching the video. Assalamu alaikum.